Hello again. Good morning. Today is Saturday, and today is sort of a harvest day, I believe, because a lot of things have turned yellow, and I think most of them are ready to go. So let's check it out first of all. We have the tomatoes. We have been harvesting tomatoes, like not like a bunch, where in the it's not like in the supermarket where you can just get the whole bunch, but we try to pick them as soon as they are kind of red, because they can ripen without being on the branch as well. So instead of letting them ripen on the branch, we decided like to just pick them and then leave it on the countertop, and in a few days they are ready. That's better because we don't know if like some animals might eat them before we do, or like they kind of split because they are, like the weather might be a bit too different between night and day, although these days it's fine. But anyway, that's how we harvest our tomatoes. We have the beans are ready, see, so when it turns this kind of yellow, it means that they are ready for harvesting. So these are our red beans. I'll be harvesting this. Let's walk on to the other side. So this is where we usually have our salad. I haven't been harvesting salad for some time now because don't feel like eating them anyway. Then we have these two. They are ginger. We just leave it there for some time. This is our blue cabbage. Actually, I'm not sure. Like, I think we can leave them still growing a bit. They're kind of small, but they look good. We'll have the mango, the Swiss charts, still looking alright. Our complimentary cosmos. We have some flowers. Our celery. I could lightly harvest some celery as well. Our zucchini seems to have slowed down. So today it doesn't look like we have so many zucchinis. But I think there are some that looks very yellow, like this one. I hope they're edible. I'm not sure why some of them look so yellow, but they're not growing bigger anyway, so I think I might just harvest them. We do see a lot of small ones still growing. Right, then the chilies are one of the top performers on the ground here. We have a lot of chilies. I love chilies because you can just add a bit to any dish you are cooking, and they freeze very well, so you can keep them for a long time. The sweet potatoes looks good, and here are the carrots. What I find funny is these are my mini cucumber. They can sort of like crawl and try to tie themselves onto the carrots, which is like cute. They are holding hands with the carrots. Yeah. So yeah, that's how my baby cucumbers plants is looking like. I hope they can still continue to grow. We planted some stuff here, but nothing is growing out yet. Oh, we have some kale. I will harvest them as well. Right, and then we have the physalis plant. And honestly, there are no fruits. In fact, I'm suspecting, are they really physalis plants? They are not growing. I mean, they are growing, but there's nothing coming out of it. So I'm not really sure. These are the spinach. They are very, very, very slow. Is it because it's so dry? I don't know. Let's see. Next up we have the potato side. We think they're ready as well to be harvested because they do like they're dying away, just like the beans. The beans are really quite ready by now because look at this. This is what I've been waiting for them to turn yellow like this. So yeah, a lot of bean harvesting today. The radish looks a little bit disappointing because it has been like this for a long time, and I don't know if something's growing downstairs. Let's see. The beetroot, well, I also wonder if this is the right season to grow them because they're also growing really slow. Not sure. The pumpkins are okay. They're still here. So we have 1, 2, 3. Right now we have 3. This one is coming up 4 and 5. So yeah, we have a little bit lesser than last time, but we still have something, so it's okay. Right. So that's it. And here's the majestic sunflower plant from our neighbor again. So we'll get going because it's kind of late today. It's already 10 and we're only here right now and it's a bit hot, so I will start harvesting. Alright. So we are still in the midst of harvesting. Wow, look at this. That's a big one. Nice.
There's another one next to it.
Oh, that's fun.
And a tiny one.
Cute. Cute. So I'll show you so far how many we harvested. So these are our potatoes. And yeah, these were like some of the ones that last year we didn't finish eating and then we replanted them and then they grew quite well. And these are purple ones that last year I discovered them in a supermarket and I decided to keep a few to plant and they produce quite a good crop. I think we are going to make tortilla, Spanish tortilla for lunch. And what else have we harvested? I took kale and then a lot of chilies, a lot, way too much. I mean, I have 3 zucchinis, but they are kind of small. They are not like the giganto ones. And here, there's a lot of beans. And then tomatoes. And it's not done yet. We also decided to take the pumpkins because they came right off, and as well the purple cabbage because we feel like it's not gonna grow bigger. Yeah, so sometimes we just have to accept that like the crop grow to a certain size only, and you harvest it no matter how big or small it is. Yeah, so today looks like we have a bumper crop. And we will continue with the harvesting now. Bye!